For the purled cast on, you're going to put a slip knot on your needle, left-hand needle. Right-hand needle is going to go in as if to purl with your yarn in front. And you're going to actually do a purl. So you're going to bring that yarn around and pull it out and slip it onto your left-hand needle. Pull that tight slightly, not too tight, and again do another purl. So insert to purl, yarn over, bring that through. Make sure you have slack, pull that out, place it on your needle. This one's a little bit easier placing it on the needle than the knit stitch because of how it comes off of the needle. So you're just pulling it straight out, putting it right on. So do that the number of stitches for your cast on. This is nice because you can not have to estimate how much yarn to pull out for like if you're doing a long tail cast on, you have a short tail at the beginning and you're using your working yarn the whole time. The edge can be a little funky. It's got kind of a little braid on the side instead of the bottom, but it's a nice fast cast on, especially if you like purling. So that's the purled cast on. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After. This is a super fast stitch refresher, and thank you for watching.